Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where your internet browser on your TV is not working. So for example here, this is the Samsung TV and this is the browser. It's called Samsung's personal browser. Alright, so it's Samsung browser and I'm going to show you how to fix this particular issue whenever it's not working. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys, if it's not working, is to do the following. All right, so one of the things you want to do is to go here, go to apps, and once you're in apps, this is the apps screen. You're going to go all the way down to the end of the screen. You're going to go to that option there that says right here that says app settings, and this is Samsung Tizen, by the way. You're going to go here, you're going to select that option that says app settings. Give it a little while. Once you select it, it should work. Here we go. So you're here now. And from here, you're going to go to the browser itself. Now this is the browser. From here, you're going to select the options. So what you want to do from here, guys, you have several options. All right. So what you want to do is, if it allows it, sorry about that. If it allows it, you can go ahead if you're having issues and try to reinstall. This is not available right now for this. So the other option would be to go ahead and delete. All right, so what we're going to do is a complete uninstall. And of course, once you uninstall, you're going to go back and you're going to go to the top of the screen. And right here, you should see the browser again, provided by Samsung. Go ahead and download that. If it's not there, you can find it down here, or you can go over to search and search for browser and reinstall the browser from Samsung. But it's always here since it's a Samsung app. All right. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, the issue itself might be that, or if you don't really want to uninstall the app and it's not working or browsing, maybe your time and date is wrong. So I suggest that you go to your settings. So it's very easy to go to settings. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go here. Then we're going to select all settings. Once we go to all settings, guys, and of course, once you're in all settings, we're going to go to the section here under general and privacy, just showing you where to find the time. And under here, you should be able to find the option, should be under system management. There we go. So system management, you're going to go to time and go to clock. Make sure that the date and time is okay. If it's set to automatic, that's the best option. So clock mode automatic. If not, set it to manual, which would be the second option. So if automatic is not correct, go to manual and then go to manual. Once you set it on manual, it's going to allow you to change the date. Sorry about that. It's a little bit slow. It's going to allow you to change the date and the time. So go ahead and change those. Make sure the zone is correct. So it goes to the set the right time according to your time zone. Once you're finished, for me, automatic works fine. So I'm going to keep it on that. So I'm going to go home. And of course, last but not least, if all else fail, let's say, for example, the your internet router, go ahead and restart that and turn off the TV and restart it. So that should fix it in most of the cases. However, in some cases, it might be something a little bit more severe. So I'm going to show you to fix that. So another way to do this is that the browser itself might launch, as is the case here, but whenever you try to load any of the pages, it doesn't load. So what you want to do here is pay close attention. You're going to go up here to this menu. So you're going to move up. So as you can see here, this is the, we're going to go to internet menu. So we're going to go to internet menu. And I'm trying my best to show you as fast as possible. It's a little bit slow. So we're going to go to settings. All right, so you're going to be here. What you're going to do now is move over to privacy. So you're gonna go to privacy or privacy and security. You're gonna select that. Go to privacy and security. Then this is the right place where it says delete browsing history. There you're gonna hit delete if there's anything to delete, and here you go. It says, do you want to delete browsing data or history? Go ahead and hit delete. And the key here is it's getting rid of cookies. So I'm gonna hit delete. So deleting browsing data. All right, and that's the key. From here, you can actually go back. So go back. And then, of course, go ahead and try to load up a page. Let me go ahead. Give me a second, guys. So just go ahead and try to load a page. There you go. It should fix the issues because sometimes it's just a cookie problem, especially if you use the browser a lot on your TV. So that's some of the key things into fixing the internet browser not working on your TV, or should I say your Samsung TV. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.